Hello, welcome to 4DDiG. Many of you may hear of lost partitions. But do you know what causes the lost partitions? Can I expect to recover the files from a lost partition? Share your answers in the comment below. In this video, I'm going to show you the causes of lost partitions and how to use 4DDiG data recovery to recover your lost data. Before it starts, please subscribe to us, then you won't miss other helpful video updating. There are 5 reasons for the causes of the lost partition. Partition table corruption, master boot record corruption, accidental deletion, interruption while resizing the partition, power outages. And then, how to recover data and files from lost partitions. First, go to 4DDiG Data Recovery's official website. Download and install it on our PC or Mac. Then launch 4DDiG Data Recovery. You will see the home interface. There are data recovery functions and advanced recovery. Choose the lost partition where your data is lost and click Scan. Then choose the type of files you want to recover. Click Scan selected file types. Now 4DDiG starts to find all your lost data. You will see there is a folder. You can click the File view to look for your data by file type. Or you can even type some keywords of the data's name in the search box to precisely find your data. By the way, you can also find your data by customizing the filter, like data type, data size, modified time. Once you find your data, you can preview and click Recover. You are advised to save the recovered files to a different location, then click Recover. Then click View Recovered to check your data. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. See you in the next video.